How I Made My First Million Through Joint Venture Partnerships. Real Value Grow a Business Secrets 2025. In 2002, my first business failed after 6 months with 0 sales. Here's the exact framework that changed everything. Most entrepreneurs think they need to build everything alone. That's why they struggle for years without breakthrough results. But look at Sony and Honda. They're relaunching 3 electric vehicles by 2030 through their joint venture. Combining Honda's manufacturing with Sony's AI technology, here's my 3-step real value framework. First, identify what you don't have. For me, it was equipment and expertise. Second, find partners who have your missing pieces but need your strengths. Third, structure deals where everyone wins more together than apart. 2024 saw joint venture deals increase 14% globally. Because smart entrepreneurs know this secret. This isn't theory. I've used this exact method to build 7 successful joint ventures, including one that hit 7 figures in just 12 months using existing vessels and relationships. Subscribe now because I am dropping more step-by-step joint venture playbook next week. The exact system to build successful partnerships. Don't miss it.